Hi students, in the video we will talk about exercise 10.8 third sum. The equation of electromotive force for an electric circuit containing resistance and self-induction is E is equal to Ri plus L into di by dt, where E is the electromotive force and R is the resistance, L is the coefficient of induction. Find the current I at time t when E is equal to 0. So what is given here? Given the equation E is equal to Ri plus L into di by dt. Now I am changing this to the left hand side, that is L into di by dt plus Ri is equal to E. Dividing throughout by L, I get di by dt plus R by L into I is equal to E by L. Why? Because this is a differential equation. This is in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So this is in the form of a differential equation like this. Here what is p? Y is I and x is t here. What is p here? P is equal to R by L and q is equal to E divided by L. Now I am going to find out integral p dx. Instead of x I am having t here. So p dt, which is equal to integral R by L dt, which is equal to R by L is a constant, and when you integrate dt it gives t. So RT by L. This is what integral p dt. Now what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to E power integral p dt here, which is equal to E power RT divided by L. So integrating factor kandupidichitale straight away we go to the solution. The solution is, what is the solution? Solution is y into integrating factor, which is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Here y is what? Y is I. So this is I into, what is integrating factor? E power RT by L, which is equal to integral q. Q is E divided by L. Integrating factor is E power RT divided by L into dt plus c. Instead of x we are having t here. Now I am going to integrate this. E by L is a constant. Here it is E power RT by L whole divided by R by L. Am I correct? R by L plus c, which is equal to R by L reciprocate enna E by L into L by R into E power RT by L plus C. Here L gets cancelled here. Now this is equal to E by R, E power RT by L plus C. This is what? I into E power RT by L. But I need I is equal to I in the form of this one. So divide throughout by E power RT by L, which gives I is equal to E by R, these two gets cancelled, plus C into E power minus RT by L, because I am dividing this by E power RT by L. Now condition kuduthirukku, when E is equal to 0, when E is equal to 0, what is I now? I is equal to E0 na 0 divided by any number 0 aichu, C into E power minus RT by L. This is what the answer. Thank you students. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணி அவங்களையும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. Thank you.